Hello, my name is Shubdesh, and currently I am the Masai student, and currently I am in placement. So this is my first video of the concept explainer. Okay, from now onwards, I'm going to explain every concept on one video. Okay, so the today's question is difference between JDK, JRE, and JVM. Okay, let's start with JDK. What is JDK? JDK is a Java Development Kit. It stands for Java Development Kit. It means if anybody want to develop a Java application, then they need a JDK for developing an application. For example, I'm a software developer and I want to develop any application like any application that will calculate 2 plus 2, anything. So for this one, I need a JDK in my computer. Okay, and the JDK is a we can assume JDK is a box. Okay, in and it contain two part, JRE plus development tool. In the development tool there are compiler, debugger. We know this is important for compiler for compiling our code, debugger if there is any problem in the code, then we can debug it. And the second part is JRE. Now let's discuss about JRE. What is JRE? JRE is a stand for Java Runtime Environment. Now let's suppose anyone want to run our application. Then they need a JRE in their system. Actually, the thing is, if anyone has a JDK, then internally JDK in the JDK JRE is JRE. But if there is other people like a consumer who only want to consume, they don't want to develop any application. They only want to run our application. So the minimum requirement is JRE in the software. What JRE will do? JRE will run the application. Like suppose we develop application and there is another consumer who want to run our application, they can use the JRE. Okay. Now JRE has the two part. In the JRE, let's suppose JRE, and the JRE contain two part. First one is a JVM and the second one is a libraries. Okay. As I told JVM. Now let's discuss what is JVM. JVM stand for Java Virtual Machine. Uh, Now the thing is whether we have JDK or we have JRE in our system, both internally has JVM. JVM is the only responsible for executing our code, for reading those white code and converting into a readable form according to the operating system. For example, I developed any application. So internally there are the lot of the lines that I have written. Now the JVM is responsible. While reading blocks, we have seen like JVM find the main method in our application, then he start executing line by line. So JVM is the responsible for executing our code. Like first code will be compiled into bytecode, then JVM will convert that bytecode into the readable form according to the operating system. It could be um Windows or Linux, anything. So this is the whole concept that I want to explain. And in a simple language, if in one I can explain, is JDK is for the development purpose, JRE for running purpose, or JVM that will run our code, whether we have JDK and JVM. So this is all about today concept explainer. Thank you.